different question. So if f of 1 equal to 0 and f dash x is greater than f of x for all x is greater than or equal to 1, then prove that f of x is greater than 0 for every x is greater than 1. So this condition is given. Therefore, you take this one. F dash x is greater than f of x for all x is greater than or equal to 1. So f dash x is greater than f of x for every x greater than or equal to 1. This is the given. Greater than or equal to 1. Next one is f of 1 equal to 0 is given. F of 1 is 0 is given. Then we need to put this. So from this one, f dash x minus f of x is greater than 0. For every x is greater than or equal to 1. So now what you do is, now multiply throughout with e power minus x. E power minus x is a positive number or not? E power x is a minus x is a positive number. So if you multiply throughout it with e power minus x, inequality will not change because e power minus x is a positive number. Therefore, e power minus x minus f of x still it's greater than 0 because we are multiplying throughout with positive. Now, what is this one? Tell me. This is the differentiation of which function?
E power minus x into f of x.
Yes. This is the differentiation of d by dx of e power minus x into f of x or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the differentiation of e power minus x into f of x. So, differentiation of e power minus x into f of x is positive. That implies e power minus x into f of x is an increasing function. For every x is greater than or equal to 1. For every x is greater than or equal to 1. So, for x is greater than or equal to 1, it is increasing function, and it is given that f of 1 is equals to 0 is given. Sir, f of 1 is equal to 0 is given. So, now what we need to show is f of x is greater than 0 for every x is greater than 1. Greater than 1, strictly greater than 1. So, you take x is greater than 1. So, it's an increasing function. Therefore, f of x is greater than f of 1 or not? F of x is greater than f of 1. So, our function is what here? F of x is this one. Therefore, e power minus of otherwise what we do is already we have f of x. You consider let g of x equal to otherwise e power minus x into f of x. So g of x is increasing function. Therefore, so g of x is increasing function. Therefore, g of x is greater than g of 1. Okay. G of 1. So g of x is greater than g of 1. What is g of x? E power minus x into f of x is greater than what is g of 1? E power minus 1 into f of 1. But in question it is given that f of 1 is 0. That implies e power minus x into f of 1 is greater than e power minus 1 into 0. That is e power minus x into f of x is greater than 0. For every x is greater than 1. Now, e power minus x never be always positive. Yes or no? E power minus x is always positive. That implies f of x must be greater than 0 for every x is greater than. That is what we need. F of x is greater than 0 for every x.